Alright, today we're going to be working on the AGT L12 Mini Excavator. What we're working on today is we're doing an oil change. We're getting all the old vegetable oil out of there that it comes with from China. And then we're going to be adding a oil drain tube extension so that in the future we can do oil changes without making a huge mess. So let's let this thing warm up and then we'll pull it back into the pop tent. Wow, look at the color of that. It's just going absolutely everywhere. It's like water almost. It has the consistency of hydraulic oil. All right. That's the oil that came out of the excavator. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but it's all metal glitter. I'm definitely really happy that I changed this out, and there are a couple drops of water in there too that you can see running down. Definitely do this if you get a Chinese excavator. Hopefully this one holds up. It was like 30 bucks on eBay. Made in USA. So the oil is just about done draining. I'm gonna try to clean up this mess a bit, and then we'll get this new drain hose installed. And just to make this easier and direct all the oil into one spot, I'm actually lifting up the machine right now to tip it back. That way all the oil comes out the back of the motor there. Alright, I got the hose installed. It ended up being a 16 millimeter or 5/8 to tighten that right there to the engine block. I did end up using this loop. The reason for that is when it was out straight, it was actually rubbing right there on the hydraulic hose. And if you run that for a long time that way, you're going to be buying a hose if it wears through, and that's a big boy, so that would probably be, you know, 150 bucks at Napa to replace that line. Only thing left to do now, pull out this fill port. I will lower the machine back to level as well, and then we're going to add oil to it, and we're all set. Alright, and we're back on the ground. Let's fill her up. Alright, for this machine we're using 1040. This is just regular Walmart oil. Synthetic blend. I'm not going to do a lot of work with this machine until the spring when it's warmer out. So I wanted to run the 40 weight oil for that. Alright, it looks like 1 quart. Got it right up to the top, where it's just going to spill out. And the machine is level right now. That's all set. Oil change done on the AGT L12.